guys, today we're doing Filipino mentally try not to laugh core 2. Try not to laugh, okay?
Plan mag-apply pero daming inasikaso. Pagod na, nagkakasakit pa. Mag-Enervon Z Plus para ang dream mo happening na. Enervon Z Plus. Help get more energy, more immunity, more happenings.
Before we just do that, I'm not going to sponsor because how am I going to do that? We live in the Philippines.
Bangis ang tanawa lagi.
I'm trying not to laugh. Why did you think he's tired back? Like, bro.
Pag tumingin ka, akin ka.
If it's lagging, then
Kapag tumingin ka, akin ka. Pag tumingin ka, may mountain bike ka na, may 2.5 ka pa. Iya, namananap ka, karauta na.
this don't mind this.
Kamusta ka na?
Espanyol.
Buenos Dias de Almoranas.
How is the cat holding that?
So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 1
20.
Sige na, lalaki ako, sir! Lalaki ako, sir! Lalaki ako, sir!
Oh, kagat. Kagat na.
Not since I left.
Palayo, gamay, gamay lang. Gamay. Distansya, gamay. Oh, distansya, gamay. Uno. O, yan, two. Teresa. Oh, Teresa, ha. Uno. Ada. Tanaw sa kamera, tanaw kay. Kwarta rin, kwarta. Uno. Dos. Tres.
Okay, make sure to subscribe to them. And going Philippines, mentally, core 3. Hiya.
Gutom.
Gutom na gutom ka na. Ang sagot dyan.
Okay, let's watch. Phobic. Okay, stop doing that, okay? Don't read that intro. you don't
Paano ulam?
Pampahaba ng buhay.
Gulay na naman, pampabara naman ang buhay. Kumain naman tayo ng karne, baka hindi na tayo mamatay.
Okay, bro. I'll back to put spoiler.
Ilagay, kumain, sige na mata! Marcha!
Bruh.
What is your favorite subject? Matulog. Correct!
I'm scared.
Oo.
Kung ballpen dong be,
Ha?
ballpen.
Pila ka mo?
Isara?
Ano?
If you guys don't
Ano man
know
eh?
Dulpin.
what is
Sa English o ulan.
the like
Rainbow.
Philippines
Sa English o pan.
Panisal.
Sa English shampoo.
Samsel.
how can I remind you something?
Sabi ko sa inyo, wag buksan ng pinto, lalabas ang aircon.
Ayun na naman, oh. Boyfriend mo ba ako? Kaya nga ako nagbakla kasi ayoko ng obligasyon eh. Bobo ka ba? Gusto mo pagkaralin kita? Sige.
Na dumadami ang mga deboto ng Black Nazarene First Friday. Lahat sila ay mayroong nakahandang mga kanila mga panalangin. Teka, sandali lang. Ano ba yun? Naririnig ko. Sino ka ba? Ha? Ano ka mo? Abay, walang modo itong batang ito. Tinawag akong aswang. Mabuti na lang gwapo ka. Mukhang yummy.
I don't know how to translate this. So wait, let me just. If you don't know what this is, the 3. Wait, there's 33 and 34. I'm going to do this.
Gapang sa work. Mentos muna.
34.
Good morning. Good morning. Keep the good days coming. When your gut grooves to its own rhythm, Vocalax restores.
8 minutes. Okay, you don't have to do that. Let's see if it's laughing or not.
Mabait na, masipag pa, yan ang dapat tularan ng mga kabataan. Dahil imbis na nasa bahay lang at nagsiselfone, dito ay busy siya sa kanyang negosyo.
Hindi ako pwede sa mga horror. Kasi mabilis lang ako mauto eh. Hello?
Huwag kang titingin sa bintana. Sabi mo huwag kang tumingin eh.
Sorry. Timuro, ano, pasyente diri. Waya sa inyo diya, ma'am. Ma'am, alaya ni. Why performance task dia? Basi na ba? Ay, advance lang nabi. Palamig!
Sige. Isa mo na yun ako.
Like you can just choose that. She look like Marceline when she pop a bean and she rock with me. I pull up to the scene. She's a feast from a berry.
Paano ka ba kinakausap? Di sumasagot. Putang ina, may cellphone. Hello? Hello? Putang ina daw. Hello? Ano kinamatay mo? Uy, saan ka nakatira?
Secret!
Ba't tanghali ka nagmumulto?
Manalili. Manalili. Oh, what a pass! Titik Manalili with eyes at the back of his head.
I'm done.
Gitu ya. Uy. Uy. Utang si Ronayo. Telat tapos na. Up, nag-swing.
Okay, what is this? No, I'm not even. Are you body controls? Ew, this is so disgusting.
You laugh, you lose, Curse Animations Edition. Welcome to Disturbing Peppa Pig. Good luck.
Dinosaur. No, George. You have to play somewhere else. Wow.
Okay, I'm all grew up and I need actually
Curse Animation. Good luck.
I'll make a video about this. I'm going to make a video about this. Okay? We're going to try not to laugh with YouTubers. So, might as well. And goodbye. Do it.
Luck.
Okay.
Luck.
Goodbye. So this is we are done with this and like I'm going and make sure to hit the subscribe button and unsubscribe. I don't care, it's your choice. Goodbye.